right, we're going to go get our new milk cow.
It's true.
And heifer calf that's in milk. And we're actually almost there. We're like 10 minutes down the road. I'm so excited.
Yep, I got to stop at Harbor Freight, so I'm pretty excited.
Yes. All right, let's do this. Let me see, Sealy. Are you gonna get a moo cow?
Yes, we're getting a moo cow.
I get flipped around. I know what's happening here.
Wait, I've been off duty for a year. I don't know about this.
Get some feet from Shopping Garden.
Oh, the other one's like, I'll come.
The calf is going to go for a ride in the cart, Victoria.
Say, come on, Mom.
Yes.
If I have to do this every morning, though, I know, I'm just kidding.
And milk chores are simple as that? Yeah. Just like that. Hey, you thought it was going to be difficult.
Yes.
I was talking to her booty for a minute, and then I saw her ears. Her booty's that inch. Isn't she so cute?
You can just see her shadow.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Can I lead her out? Sorry. It's the mom.
Chloe, will you stand over there where the hole is just in case so she doesn't go out that way?
Let you slide you out?
Yep. Maybe.
Take her all the way over to the hay under the,
Yep.
if you can.
Here, can you take this?
Okay?
Okay, that's stronger than a baby cat.
It's all right. It's all right. Okay. It's okay. Good girl.
You want to come pet her?
Now I'm going to open that up.
Oh.
Oh, there's your grapes. Good. All right, I'm gonna shut this so enter it.
You gonna let Calf out?
Dad said wait.
I want to let her see it.
Not yet.
I know.
All right, shine it on your mama.
Not in her face, but at her.
Yeah, it's raining.
And it's cold. Which is no surprise.
See how baby relaxed when mama came out? Like, oh, okay. Maybe it's gonna be okay.
Night before, what night before?
I was at work. And yeah, you texted. What you doing down there, bro?
Checking it out.
Put it back up. Yeah, the calf is pretty.
All right, come tell us what you think to the camera.
Me?
Yeah, what do you think?
Well, I think that it's going to work out well. I think they unloaded very easily, which is nice. I think it's going to take us probably about 2 to 3 weeks before we really figure out a system on how to milk these guys. I am totally smitten with Addie. She is adorable. especially with her blue halter on. She is so pretty. She doesn't care for me too much yet, but she will. She will.